Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different bun styles that I used when I was in uniform. I wore my hair in a bun every single day, so I would cycle through these different styles just to like switch it up, I guess. These aren't only just for military. You can use these if you just want your hair to be like super slick back, if you're going out or something like that. So yeah, I'm also going to show you guys how I make my own sock bun, because I know you can go out and buy the actual little foam like sock bun thingy, but I always make mine from scratch with actual socks. I guess this is the old-fashioned way, but I don't remember them selling the actual foamy spongy buns. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. I don't remember them selling those kind of buns when I started having to put my hair in buns, and this was like back in 2013. So yeah, I remember I just had to sit there and make my own buns. So I'll show you guys how I do that if you're interested. And yeah, let's just get started. So I guess it depends on what type of hair you have and how thick it is, but I have really thick and curly hair, so if I don't do my initial bun on wash day when I'm easily able to detangle it and manipulate it, then it won't look as good as it could look, and it won't get as slick as it could without like a lot of extra unnecessary work. So I just washed my hair and I did comb it out in the shower. I'm just running through it again to make sure all the tangles are out, but it should be really quick. Usually I would leave my bun in my hair for at least like 3 days. Like I would take it out and redo it, but I won't really add any more product. So I always make sure that I add leave-in conditioner, like lots of leave-in conditioner, and I'm using this Cantu Argan Oil one. I'm actually running out. I use this one all the time. But yeah, so I make sure I drench my hair with leave-in conditioner before I put it back in a bun. So leave-in conditioner is applied throughout my whole head, and I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. You can really do any part that you want. I always would, I think I'm gonna do this side actually. But yeah, I always would make sure that I switched my part from side to side, because I didn't wanna start like balding. And I know that happens to a lot of females, especially in the military, when you have to put your hair in a bun every single day and it has to be like really nice and tight and everything. So I would just make sure I alternated the lines so that I wouldn't start like losing hair where I would be like yanking at it the hardest. So there goes my part, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my hair with this comb to kind of get all of the waves and curls out. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use this Eco Styler gel. I have the coconut oil version, and I'm gonna apply that all over my hair. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take this bristle brush and flatten out my hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use these bold hold barrettes. And one of the most popular questions I get is where I get these. And I don't know about you guys, but I always find them at CVS, I find them at Walmart. This is from the brand Goody, so maybe you can order them online, but I always find them in whatever store is the closest to me. So I don't know why it's so hard for some people to find them. I guess it depends on where you're located. This is what they look like. They're huge. And I'm gonna take one of those and just wrap it around my hair. So now my base is basically done. I'm gonna fix the front a little bit later, but I'll show you guys how I do my sock bun first. So if you're gonna make your own sock bun, you just wanna make sure you have a black sock, or actually a sock that matches your hair color. So if you have blonde hair, maybe use like a tan sock or something. But yeah, so you take whatever sock matches your hair color, and then you're gonna cut off the toe of the sock, so the round part. You're just gonna cut that straight across. Just like that, and then you can toss that piece, and then you should just have like a tube that's open from the toes to the ankle part. And then what you wanna do is fold it from the inside out. So you kind of just wanna grab it like this and fold it outward like that. So it should be like one fold on the outside. And then you just wanna repeat that over and over until you have a donut. So you just keep folding in to out, in and out. Another thing to make sure that it stays tight is that you keep yanking on the ankle part to make sure you don't have any excess fabric. So then you just keep folding. Okay, and then once you get to the end of the ankle part, you're gonna take that and wrap it over the donut that you just made. So it should look like this. But I do have a lot of hair, and if I was to put my hair in a bun like this, I would have way too much excess hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and use another sock to double my bun and to make it thicker. So I'm gonna repeat the process, cutting off the toes. But now I'm gonna take this second sock and loop it through the first donut that I made. So I'm gonna push it through like this. And now when I fold the sock over, I'm gonna be folding it over the donut that's on the outside. So I just get around it like that. And make sure you pull the ankle so you don't have excess fabric. So now you're gonna start folding the sock with the donut. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so here is the sock bun that I just made. And I think this should be good enough for my hair. So the first thing you wanna do is just like put your fingers through the sock bun so you can pull your hair through. So I'm gonna do that and then wrap the sock bun around like it's a ponytail. And pull your hair through, like that. Okay, and then the next thing that you want to do is kind of split your hair in half and lay it over the bun. So I'm gonna split my hair in the middle and then lay it over the bun, spread it out all over. And at this point, you wanna start using your brush to spread out the hair. Once you think it's all spread out and evenly smooth around the bun, you're just going to take a regular sized ponytail and then put that around the bun. You want to make sure you like gel it down however you need to do it, or hairspray it. I'm not going to add any more gel or anything because I'm going to be taking it right out to show you guys another bun. But yeah, I would usually just like add gel to make sure that no flyaways come up and it just stays down the whole day. So now with this excess hair, some people braid it, some people just twist it, but I think I'm gonna twist it. And what I'm gonna do first is just kind of comb it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting this hair around the bun. So once you have your twist wrapped around the bun, you can just go ahead and use some bobby pins to secure the twist and make sure they don't unravel. And a big thing for the Marine Corps that isn't necessarily important in other branches is like making sure that you don't see hair ties or pins or bobby pins, and that if they have to show for some reason, like you have little hairs that need to be pinned back, that they have to match your hair color. Like you can't have like orange colored hair ties and bobby pins and stuff. They have to not show or just be natural to your hair color. So yeah, that's my sock bun. The only thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and fix the front of my hair a little bit. I'm going to add some gel, some more of that Eco Styler gel, and just add some right here so I can flatten this out. So yeah, that is my sock bun. So when I first joined the Marine Corps, I would always do the sock bun because I was just like the only one that I knew and the one that you were taught originally. But once my hair started getting longer, I didn't like how big the twists looked in the back. So you guys can see how much extra hair I have back here. So I didn't like the way that looked, so I started doing these two other types of buns that I'm going to show you right now. So I'm gonna take this one out. So for this one, I'm just going to separate my hair into two parts. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of gel. Like I said, I would be adding way more, but since I'm just gonna be taking this out right away, I don't wanna add too much. And for this, I'm going to comb out each part of my hair. I'm going to braid this. So I'm gonna have two braids. And I've done this style with multiple braids. Like I think I did it with 4 braids once, and it actually just makes it look more intricate and a little cooler than just 2 braids. So you can always do that and it will look really cute. And then for this one, you just want to make sure you have some rubber bands. So now that I have both my braids, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap them up with a regular hair tie to make the bun. So this is what the braided bun looks like. This one was probably one of my favorites, especially once my hair started getting longer. And now I'm gonna show you guys probably the easiest one of all. And this one is like if you're feeling lazy or you're running out of time, you woke up late or something, this one was like my go-to. So let's take this one out. So I'm gonna undo these braids. And then, like I said, with the braided bun, you can use more than 2 strands of hair to try to make it more interesting and like a little bit more like intricate and everything. But usually when I did this one, it was just because I was running out of time and I needed to get out the door. But basically, I would split my hair up into 2 pieces, just like the braided bun. And all I would do was twist it. So quick and easy. And it still looked like it was put together and that you took your time. Then I'm just gonna wrap it the same way you wrapped the braids. And then I'm gonna go ahead and secure that one with the same hair tie. And that's the twisted bun, super fast and super simple. So yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for anybody out there who is interested in learning how to do some different bun styles, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment some more video ideas you guys want to see from me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!